Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a slip stitch join specifically for amigurumi. This technique is perfect for securely adding new yarn to your project. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. First, make a slip knot with your new yarn. If you don't know how to do a slip knot, click on the link above. This will be the starting point for your slip stitch join. Insert your hook into the correct place on your amigurumi project. To find rounds, start counting from the magic circle or the center of your work. Each round consists of a series of stitches in the circular pattern. Count outward with the first complete circle of stitches being round 1. So this is round 1. The next round 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will insert it between rounds 4 and 5. Grab your working yarn of the new yarn over and pull through the stitch where you inserted your hook and the loop. This completes the slip stitch join. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.